Since I want to create a new one, I will come here that is blank form, and I click on the blank form. So I want to say to create an entry form, maybe a postgraduate entry form for school. Then from here, that means I will have to change the title to and change the title to entry form. Sorry, this
I
gave me
think
problem yesterday.
yes, I noticed that once you clean everything and you want to
Mm,
type, it would
yeah,
bring back the untitled form again. So perhaps you leave some
yeah.
things. Once you start typing, you can clean the other ones.
So yes, exactly. This was a so I'll have to get the entry form. So on this we put the description. I can say entry form for Bayero University. So at this point, if I want to put it into sections, this for the section where I can add the section. Now, but one thing about this Google form is this. When you add session, it will start from the first, from this entry form now. You see it starting from it. I tried to adjust it to start from where I will need the the information, the data that I need, but it did not. So from here, I will just click to add session. And at this place, I can type the bio data. This is the bio data where the student will fill in his or bio data. Then this is where you can add question. This plus here is for question. This place is when you want to import a question. Maybe you have a set of questions on your desktop or on a folder. You can import it from there. This is where you want to add a title or a description. This place is if you have an image you want to add, maybe when you are trying to design or to put a particular image. Then why this one is when you want to add a video, just like what and Antonia did the other time. This is where you add this session. So at this point now, we have our first question, which is we can say name. And for here is going to be a short answer. Put name. So that is for this. So we put another question. We have your date of birth. It's still the same short answer, or we can put a drop box. When we put a drop box, we can now start to impute the different ages, but this will take a whole lot of time. Unlike the Microsoft form, you will just see, I think for the Microsoft form, you will see order or just age, but for here, you just put a short answer since the person will just type in the dates. Then we add another question, which is maybe the local government area. The local government area, we come here again, we change it to a short answer. Now, at this point, we can now add another session, which we can say schools attended. If you can say schools attended, can come here and say schools attended.
The hide button, you can hide that button so that we can be able to see other things as well.
Okay.
Yep, that's it.
So we can say schools at, at attended. So at this point, we can say tertiary, because for someone that wants to do a PG program must have finished from a tertiary institution. I beg English na
No.
Abala. Tertiary. So still change it to short answer because the person is expected to fill in the answer. Then we have the secondary school. Sorry, I'm doing this based on my work. That's why. Okay.
No,
Then we
that's
can now.
perfectly okay. I think it's
Okay.
more
So
an experience based. So what we are doing should be more
okay.
practical. Thanks so much for
So
that.
so I have this. So now the next session will now be academic qualifications. Now be academic qualifications. So at this point now, we will add a question. It has to be a multiple choice because some people may have more than one. Okay, let's say the graduate qualification, whether it is HND or BSc graduate qualifications. So we can so okay, with a multiple choice. So we have the BSc, we have the HND, we have the NCE, then we have the, let's say, which other program? None. I hope I'm getting where I'm going. Okay. Then we can now say, so one can actually well, how do one choose? I think I've missed it here. I think it should be a drop down, but okay, let me go on. Then I can have course of study. Can have course of study and okay, yeah. Can have
So
course of
just to
study.
be a little clear, so graduate qualification, you want them to be able to choose one of them, is it not?
They can choose more than one. That's why I
Okay, then I think when you click that multiple choice grade again for me. So I
okay.
think you should be considering using the checkbox grade.
Okay.
Yes. So you can add the
Okay.
options and
Yeah. BSc. We have HND. And we have NCB. Okay. Thank you for that, sir.
that's all right.
Yeah, we can now have other in case there is any other qualification for it. Then can also have a class of degree. Class of degree, which is very important in any admission that one is going for. So, and our first class, and our second class upper, second class lower. We have third class. There is no more pass in the university now. Then we can now say intended course of study. Intended course of study is going to be a short answer. Then we also have the next question, intended program. So this will also be checked. It has to be, no, it's going to be a multiple choice. The person will either MSc, PhD, PhD. So at this point, we may have to stop here for now. So if we want to, can now go to this to share. So we come here to reload to share the forms out, just like the other one that we have. So I may decide to send it to, let's say, NO face, then share, then I can come here. Okay. Okay, after sharing it, I can now come here to copy the link so that I can paste it on the WhatsApp. This is not showing, just like the Microsoft form. When I did mine, I didn't see WhatsApp to be able to share it directly with WhatsApp. So the same thing here, I can copy from here.
Okay.
And now come to WhatsApp.
Hold on. Go back again. From that place you copied it, you see what it had mentioned to you that this is not published.
It's not yet published.
So by the time you share that, some persons will click the link and they won't be able to access this question. So it is important as well to always, once you finish building your form, publish it before thinking of sharing them.
Okay. Okay, so publish. So
everyone with the link, that's okay, you can publish because you've already shared this, so they say it will notify
yes,
that
sir.
it has been published. Okay,
I can now copy,
and let's use the short link so we can avoid plenty and lengthy yes.
Okay.
Cool. I think the other thing I'm even thinking is how we can be able to customize this link if it's possible. We need to do some findings around that. Then
okay.
The this thing you built is beautiful. Just to add some little things to it, if you can go back to the form again. So
Okay, sir.
it's nice, but then we can also do a little bit of and design by adding some themes and some other things to it to make it a little bit customized themes. You can click on that customize theme. Then you can see where they say choose header image. You can choose the image you want, perhaps. I think it will come up, and can, if you have an image you want to upload, you can upload. If you want, you can see school, the one that might match or that will suit what the form is meant for is what you might decide to do. But if you don't have any, you can even use ChatGPT and generate an image, or if you have an image already. And I believe that everyone knows that with ChatGPT you can generate a lot of image, even so many things you can't even imagine. Okay.
Like
Yeah, that one's look good. How do you see that? At least it looks good to me.
It's okay.
Cool.
Okay.
What other thing again can you do? Can we find setting? I want to see if there's a way we can set a notification. Um, yeah, setting.
Okay.
So okay, so make this a quiz now. Respond. How many responses are to be collected? I want to. If you can scroll, is this scroll? A bit scroll. Which one, safe? Presentation. I thought I saw something like that looks like email.
Yes, from here, responses. Collect email addresses. So can I change it?
Do not. That is collect email addresses. That means if they respond, then their email will be included. You know, sometimes you might want to design your question to be anonymous. Sometimes it depends on the need.
Okay.
So
Yes.
it all depends on the purpose. But the one I am looking for is when people respond to the email and to the questionnaire, you should be able to get a notification. Send respondent a copy of their response. You can turn it on. That means if they respond, they'll send them a copy of their response. But that is not what I'm even looking for. Allow response editing. I don't know. Do everyone know what I'm looking for at this point in time? I'm not able to see it here. Allow response editing, but that's fine. That's okay. Thanks for that presentation.
Okay. Thank
Then
you,
I think
sir.
you can stop sharing. Where I stop sharing, I'll stop the recording. Yep. Then you can okay. You can share the screen. Nkiru has a question to ask. Nkiru.
Can I ask the question?
Yes, please.
Can't we put music in that Google form?
Okay. Can't we put music in that Google form? I am not particularly sure if we can, but I don't know if anyone has done has come across such, perhaps if we are able to. Do anyone know, or do anyone have answer to that question? Because we are all learning together. Let me
I
also.
see that we can put a video now. So the video, if it is a video, music, or maybe, or can we just try it? Let me just share my screen. So let's try.
Okay, add video. Okay, yeah, you can try. You can share your screen and let's try it out and see what it will look like.
So okay, let me use this one now. Insert video. And I don't have video here.
Just go and copy one of the okay, that URL. Let me see from that the from the YouTube.
Please paste the right YouTube URL.
Yes, that
Okay, I
YouTube
need
listen we
to go
shared.
to which this now, which video? Okay, let me copy a YouTube this is from my own YouTube studio.
Okay, that's cool. I just want to be sure. It seems like you are on Microsoft Form.
Exactly.
Is it me?
Yes.
Yes.
Where are we now?
We are in
We
Google
are in
Form.
Excel.
We are in Google Form.
Google form.
Google Form.
Yes. In Microsoft, you can turn on music now. We saw where we can add even
Okay.
background.
So don't need of this is what they do now.